So the way these Turing questions work, it's very simple. It's that if you read this, you write that, and then the head moves right. Okay, and the states can change as well. So let's just do it. Right now, we're looking here at a 0. All right, that's a 0. That's where the head is looking, and we're at S1. Cool. At S1, if we see a 0, what do? It says here, write 0. Okay, so if we see a 0, write 0, and then move the head right. The head moves right according to the text in the paragraph above, with every iteration. Okay, so you can assume in the leaving cert question so far, all the ones they've asked, they only ever just move right. Let's just write down just carry these down for a second. So let's say we have this situation here now. Now, the head is now looking at 1. So it's saying, if you see a 1, what do? If I see a 1, write 1. Oh, well, this isn't going to change either. Okay, so that's done. Tick. And then move the head right, which happens down here. Okay, I'll just fill it in here. 0, B, and it was still S1 for now. Okay, so now I'm looking at a 1 here. Okay, and I'm in S1. So it says, if you're in S1, you see a 1, write a 1. Wow, there's not a lot going on with this question. I see this 1, I write a 1. There you go. I'll leave that 1 there. 0, B, S1. Okay, cool. Let me just write down I'll just carry down the digits here. I might have to overwrite some of these. We'll see in a second. So now I see a 0. What do in S1? It says, if you see a 0, write a 0. Okay. So we just did that because that is a 0. And then move the head right over here and stay in S1. Cool. 1, 0. I'll just write these as a placeholder. I might change them in a second. I guess this is going to change because it's S2. Right, now let's looking at a B here. If you see a B, so if you see a B, write 0. Oh, finally we get to change something. There we go. I'm running a 0. Okay, and that is the answer. And this little thing goes on to the next one, but like we're in the halting state now. So this is the 2014 question in a simulator, and you can see here if I let it kind of just run through there, that's what it looks like from start to finish. And I'll put a link down to this code so you can play around and edit it and step through it yourself. So in this one, it has got a move right in the leaving cert. It just always says, so far anyway, to just assume that it's going to go right, so they don't write in right or left. But it's the same thing. If you see this, write this, do that. Okay, so like here, for example, it's on 0 and in S1. So if it sees 0, write 0, move right. It does that. If it sees 1, write 1, move right. It keeps going until eventually, if it sees B blank, write 0 and move into the final halt state, S2. All right, cool. And you can kind of, if you want to make up your own ones here, look, you can make an S2, an S3, do whatever you want. S3. And if you load the machine, you can make all the different things you can. It's a great website. Give it a go. It's turingmachine.io by Andy Lee.